Alright. So, good morning each and everyone. Welcome to Katelyn Learning Center Moving Up Exercises and Recognition Day. Friends, families, and students, it's time to end the school year, and as we reflect and celebrate the great accomplishments of the Katelyn Learning Center batch 2021, we can clearly showcase that our school's academic performance continues to rise. The academic success of our pupils, with the support of our teachers and parents, have put the school on a path towards achieving its mission and vision. We strive to provide the best educational experience possible. We will teach to the best of our ability every single day, guiding your student on a path that will give him or her the skills necessary for a productive future in the early elementary years. The curriculum will be rigorous and the standards will remain high. We cannot afford to lower the bar. Our students must be able to compete with the students across the city. Our students deserve a world-class education, and at Katelyn Learning Center, he or she has received it. We thank our parents for another fantastic year. At Katelyn Learning Center, come prepared to work hard every day and give your best effort. You will soar higher than ever before. So without further ado, we will be giving some awards. Most active goes to Katelyn Ketchanova. And best penmanship goes to Katelyn Ketchanova.
Perfect.
Star Reader Award goes to Katelyn Ketchanova. Plakpak! And Batang Magalang Award goes to Katelyn Ketchanova. Wow! And now, having the 97% average or overall average for the school year 2020-2021, highest honor goes to Katelyn Ketchanova. And this one, Katelyn Learning Center, the certificate is awarded to Katelyn Ketchanova for having satisfactorily completed the requirement for Kinder 1, prescribed in the Department of Education, with Ed number E009 of 2015 for SY 2020-2021, presented this 24th day of April in the year of our Lord 2021. And your gift, Talking Tom. Yay, picture natin si Talking Tom. So, congratulations, Katelyn, and your medal for being the highest honor, for having the highest honor. All right. So, what can you say about your awards? Thank you. Teacher. Mami bless. Teacher bless. Good. Thank you, teacher bless.
Thank you, teacher bless. Tutuwin.
po yung mga ID, mga hindi grabe ito punan. Yan yung mga